Hey again, guys, it's me. So someone sent me a message in my inbox and asked me to do my French fried chicken tutorial. I thought I had done a tutorial about this before, but I went back and I realized that the video that I had up before with this way back when I first started these tutorials was deleted. So I'm going to do it again. So basically in this bowl I have a whole chicken cut up that has been washed in cold water and vinegar, and I have gone ahead and diced up some scallion and some garlic very fine, and I crushed some allspice and I put some thyme leaves in on the chicken, and I cracked 3 eggs over the chicken, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to massage that in, and then I'm going to come back in the next video and tell you what kind of seasonings that I use on the chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, here I am back again. I've gone ahead and I've actually, moved the eggs around that I've cracked in on the chicken. There's a reason why I use egg. I egg wash my chicken. Some people use bacon powder in the flour mixture to get it crispy. I don't keep skin on my chicken. The only part of the chicken that you'll see that I have skin is the wing, because it's hard to come off. But I usually take off the skin off of the rest of the chicken. So in order for it to get that crispy crust that, is on it, then that's why I egg wash it. And here are the seasonings that I'm going to add on there. And it's all-purpose seasoning, about 2 tablespoons, onion powder, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, adobo, and Sazon, the Goya one. So that's what I have in this bowl right here. And I'm just going to put it on my chicken. This is the Sazon that I use, because there's several different kinds. And just go ahead and mix that in, and I'll come back and show you how I drop the chicken. Stay tuned. So here I am back again, and I've actually heated my oil already. This is an old pot that I have here, and that's what I like to fry my chicken in. Whatever you want to use, like a frying pan or cast iron skillet or deep fryer, it's up to you. I put a clove of garlic in, and I already actually put a piece of chicken in. That's what you see there frying. So I've taken the chicken that I've egg washed and everything and put the seasoning, and I put it in this bag, and I've kind of tossed it around in the flour. If you want to do it in a bowl, that's fine. I use a bag. The cleanup is much easier for me. And I just go ahead and drop it in the oil. Now, when your chicken is finished, you will know, because it will begin to float at the top of the pot. And that's how you'll know that the chicken is done, and you'll check it to make sure. I also, when I add in all the chicken, I cover the pot, leaving a little steam hole for the chicken to steam, and that helps the chicken to be soft inside and juicy but crispy on the outside. Stay tuned for the finished result. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished result of the French fried chicken, and if you notice, the chicken is really golden and it's not dry. The inside is nice and soft and moist, and the reason why it's soft is because I closed the pot with the pot cover to allow the chicken to steam inside while frying and getting crispy on the outside. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of the French fried chicken, and I hope you guys try this, and I hope it turns out just as well for you. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll be back to show you the finished results of the baked jerk baby back ribs in a few, and then I'll plate my whole dinner so you can see what I prepared for Sunday dinner in its entirety. Have a great Sunday, all.